This is NewScale's Rotary microstage developers kit. The new Rotary Smart Stage brings M3 Smart Stage advantages: high positioning resolution, smallest size, low power, and fastest integration to instruments needing precision embedded motion at lower costs for high volume production. The control electronics are integrated within the microstage, so there's no external control board. This gives you the smallest system size and fastest integration, simplifying the task of embedding high-precision rotary motion into scientific and industrial instruments. This all-in-one smart module accepts direct input of simple, high-level motion commands from your system processor over a standard serial, digital, or analog interface. The developer's kit includes an M3-RS-U2 4.5 360 rotary stage and tools for evaluation and development. A breakout board gives you direct access to the SPI, I2C and UART digital control interfaces, the analog servo input, the position output, and the DC power in. You can use it with the USB adapter to connect to a PC and use NewScale Pathway software for fast and easy evaluation. Remember, the board and adapter are for evaluation and development only. You will not need them in your final system. To use the developer's kit, first install the NewScale Pathway software. Then connect the microstage to the breakout board and connect the breakout board to your PC using the USB adapter. The NewScale Pathway software lets you easily evaluate the microstages and validate your embedded software. The interface allows you to control the system interactively or create, save, and run scripts for precise rotary positioning. Each M3-RS-U microstage incorporates piezoelectric motors and magnetic position sensors to move optics or other components. It provides point-to-point angular positioning with closed-loop resolution better than 0.022 degrees, bandwidth of around 100 Hz, and 360-degree continuous rotation at up to 1100 degrees per second. With the system's small size, including the controller, the M3-RS-U2 Smart Module is ideal for precise rotary positioning in a limited space. The 3.3-volt DC input with no internal high voltage makes it suited for integration into handheld and portable instruments. The embedded controller means you don't have to worry about integrating high voltage drivers, motion control hardware, or algorithms. It's all inside. Visit our website for more information or purchase a developer's kit straight from digikey.com.